we have two functions, function f and function g. Let's find f of g and g of f, and then we do a function evaluation. So first of all, I let h equals to f of g. So let's start. So we have h of x that is equals to f of g of x, right? So that is f of g of x, and then we place the body of g in the parentheses. So that is f of 4 divided by x. So for function f, we have the independent variable on top, but now is 4 divided by x. And then in the bottom, we have 4 divided by x squared minus 3. For the function evaluation for h of 1, yes, you can just plug in 1 right now, but I am sure if you see this problem on your exam, you cannot leave the composition function like that. Your instructor would like you to do some simplification. Let's do it. So the top is still 4 over x. The bottom, we have 16, right? Divided by x squared minus 3. So for the minus 3, I need to subtract 2 fractions. I have to subtract the 3, so therefore I need a common denominator. So instead of writing 3, I would like to put an x squared on top and bottom. Alright, and then for h of x, that is equals to 4 over x divided by, we have 16 minus 3x squared, and then divided by x squared. So that is 4 over x multiply the reciprocal of the denominator, which is x squared divided by 16 minus 3x squared. And then let's do some simplification. So this, we can do a simplification right here. So this is 1, right? And then this becomes x. And then the 4 and the 16, do not just simplify the 4 and the 16 because there is a minus after the 16. So that's all we can do. So let's multiply them. So we have a 4x divided by 16 minus 3x squared. So this is the h of x. Alright, so that is f of g. And then when h is equals to 1, so we have h of 1. That is 4 times 1 divided by 16 minus 3 times 1, right? So that is 4 divided by 13. And then this is the function evaluation. Let's do the r. R of x is equals to g of f. So let me switch to another color so that gives you a better contrast. So we have r, so that is r of x equals to g of f of x, which is equals to g parenthesis f of x, and then we put the f inside the parenthesis. So g function f is x divided by x squared minus 3. So function g was 4 divided by the independent variable, and then you put the function in the independent variable, which is x divided by x squared minus 3. So top divided by bottom, then you have to multiply the reciprocal of the bottom. So 4 multiply x squared minus 3 divided by x, and then you have r of x that is equals to, this is x, so we have 4 x squared minus 3. If you wish, you can distribute the 4, and then the next thing is we have to evaluate r of 2 when x is equals to 2. So we have 4 times 2 squared minus 3 divided by 2. So that is 4 times 1 divided by 2. The answer is equals to 2. So let me ask you one more thing. How about r of 0? Is r of 0 exists? This is 4 times 0 minus 3 divided by 0. Please don't say that is equals to 0. This is a 4 times negative 3. This is a negative 12 divided by 0. That is not equal to 0. 0 cannot be a divisor. This is undefined. If you input this to your calculator will just show that that is an error because 0 cannot be a divisor. You cannot take a non-zero value divided by 0. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is clear and helpful, share the video for me, click the like, click the subscribe. If you're on your way out, I will catch you all in the next lesson.